Hello everyone and welcome. Today we are going to explore something very powerful and meaningful, the life-changing lessons from Jesus Christ. His teachings have influenced millions of people for thousands of years. Many people think his message is only about religion, but his words are also about how to live wisely, how to treat others, and how to build a peaceful and meaningful life. The lessons he shared are simple to understand, yet they are deep enough to guide a person through the most difficult moments in life. When we look closely at his teachings, we can find practical guidance for our mindset, our relationships, and our daily decisions. In this article, we will explore 10 powerful lessons from Jesus Christ that can help you grow as a person and improve the way you think, act, and live. The first lesson is to love others unconditionally. Jesus taught that love is the most powerful force in human life. Many people love only those who treat them well. They are kind to friends and supportive to people who respect them. However, Jesus encouraged people to go beyond this limited form of love. He taught that true love means showing kindness even when it is difficult. This does not mean accepting harmful behavior, but it means choosing not to respond with hatred or anger. When you choose love, you protect your own peace of mind. Holding anger and resentment can create stress and negativity in your thoughts. But when you respond with patience and kindness, your heart becomes calmer. This kind of love also improves relationships. People feel safe around those who treat them with respect and understanding. When love becomes a habit in your life, it spreads to others and creates a positive environment around you. The second lesson is forgiveness. One of the most powerful teachings of Jesus is the importance of letting go of resentment and forgiving those who have hurt us. Many people hold on to pain from the past. They replay negative experiences in their minds again and again. They remember what someone said or did, and the anger remains inside them. However, this habit does not harm the other person as much as it harms the one holding the anger. Forgiveness is not about saying that the wrong action was acceptable. Instead, forgiveness means releasing the emotional burden that keeps you connected to that pain. When you forgive, you free your mind from constant negativity. Your thoughts become lighter and calmer. You can focus on the present instead of being trapped in past memories. Forgiveness also helps you grow as a person. It shows emotional maturity and inner strength. People who learn to forgive often experience deeper peace and better mental clarity. The third lesson is to have faith in difficult times. Life is full of challenges, and there are moments when the future feels uncertain. In those moments, it is easy to lose hope and believe that nothing will improve. Jesus taught the importance of faith, even when the path ahead is unclear. Faith does not mean ignoring reality or avoiding problems. Instead, it means believing that difficulties are part of the journey and that better days can come through patience and effort. When a person has faith, they do not give up easily. They continue moving forward even when results are slow. This mindset creates resilience and strength. Faith also reduces fear. Instead of focusing on everything that could go wrong, you focus on the possibility that your efforts will eventually lead to improvement. This belief keeps people motivated and helps them face life with courage. The fourth lesson is humility. Jesus showed through his life that true greatness does not come from power, status, or pride. Instead, greatness comes from humility and respect for others. In modern society, many people feel pressure to prove that they are better than others. They seek recognition, attention, and praise. But humility teaches a different approach. A humble person recognizes their abilities but does not feel the need to constantly show them. They remain open to learning and improving. Humility allows people to listen to different perspectives and accept that they do not know everything. This attitude creates personal growth and stronger relationships. People trust and respect individuals who remain humble even when they succeed. Humility also reduces conflict because a humble person does not feel the need to win every argument. Instead, they focus on understanding and cooperation. The fifth lesson is to help others selflessly. Jesus taught that true kindness comes from helping others without expecting anything in return. In many situations, people help only when they believe they will receive something back, such as praise, recognition, or a favor in the future. However, selfless service is different. It comes from genuine compassion and the desire to improve someone else's situation. Helping others can take many forms. It can mean offering support during difficult times, sharing knowledge, or simply listening to someone who needs to talk. Even small acts of kindness can have a powerful impact. When people help each other without selfish motives, communities become stronger and more supportive. Selfless service also creates a deep sense of fulfillment. When you contribute positively to someone else's life, you feel a quiet satisfaction that goes beyond temporary happiness. The sixth lesson is to control your thoughts. Jesus often spoke about the importance of the inner life of a person. Our thoughts shape our emotions, our actions, and eventually our results. When a person's mind is filled with negativity, fear, and doubt, these thoughts influence the choices they make. Over time, negative thinking can limit opportunities and weaken confidence. On the other hand, when a person learns to guide their thoughts in a positive and constructive direction, their mindset becomes stronger. This does not mean ignoring difficulties, but it means choosing to focus on solutions rather than problems. Controlling your thoughts requires practice and awareness. It involves recognizing when negative thinking appears and consciously replacing it with more balanced and helpful ideas. When your mind becomes calmer and more focused, you can make better decisions and approach challenges with greater confidence. The seventh lesson is not to worry too much about the future. Many people spend a large part of their lives worrying about situations that have not yet happened. They imagine possible failures, unexpected problems, or negative outcomes. This constant worrying drains mental energy and creates unnecessary stress. Jesus encouraged people to focus on the present moment and trust that tomorrow will take care of itself. This teaching does not mean ignoring responsibilities or avoiding planning for the future. Instead, it means doing your best today and not allowing fear about tomorrow to disturb your peace. When you concentrate on what you can do right now, your mind becomes clearer and more productive. You use your energy to take action rather than imagining problems that may never occur. The eighth lesson is honesty and truthfulness. Jesus emphasized that truth should guide both words and actions. Honesty creates trust, and trust is the foundation of strong relationships and successful communities. When people lie or hide the truth, They may gain temporary advantages, but dishonesty eventually leads to confusion and broken trust. Living honestly requires courage because telling the truth can sometimes be uncomfortable. However, honesty also brings freedom. When you live truthfully, you do not carry the stress of hiding information or pretending to be someone you are not. Your mind feels lighter because your actions match your values. Over time, people respect individuals who remain honest even in difficult situations. This reputation becomes a valuable form of strength and credibility. The ninth lesson is patience. In today's fast-paced world, many people expect quick results in every area of life. They want success, recognition, and improvement to happen immediately. However, real growth rarely occurs overnight. Jesus demonstrated patience throughout his life, showing that meaningful progress often requires time and persistence. Patience does not mean doing nothing while waiting for change. Instead, it means continuing your effort while accepting that results may develop slowly. When a person is patient, they avoid rushing into poor decisions. They remain calm when facing obstacles and continue learning from each experience. Patience also reduces stress because the focus shifts from immediate results to consistent effort and long-term progress. The 10th lesson is staying committed to your purpose. Every person has unique talents, responsibilities, and goals that give meaning to their life. However, the path toward fulfilling these goals is rarely easy. There are moments of doubt, criticism, and difficulty. Jesus showed extraordinary commitment to his mission, even when it brought great challenges. His example teaches the importance of perseverance and dedication. When your purpose is clear, you must continue moving forward even when progress feels slow. Staying committed means resisting distractions and focusing on what truly matters. Over time, consistent effort creates growth, strength, and achievement. Purpose gives direction to your actions and helps you stay motivated during difficult periods. These 10 lessons from Jesus Christ are simple, yet they carry deep wisdom that remains relevant in modern life. Love teaches us to treat others with compassion. Forgiveness frees us from the weight of past pain. Faith gives us the courage to continue during uncertain times. Humility reminds us to stay grounded and open to learning. Helping others selflessly creates meaningful connections and strengthens communities. Controlling our thoughts allows us to build a stronger mindset. Reducing worry helps us focus on the present moment. Honesty builds trust and integrity. Patience teaches us to respect the natural pace of growth. And staying committed to our purpose gives our lives direction and meaning. When these lessons are practiced daily, they gradually transform the way we think and act. Small changes in attitude can lead to powerful improvements in relationships, mental peace, and personal growth. Real transformation rarely happens in a single moment. Instead, it develops through consistent effort and reflection over time. By applying even one of these lessons each day, a person can begin to build a calmer, wiser, and more meaningful life. The teachings of Jesus remind us that true strength comes not from power or wealth, but from character, compassion, and inner peace. When people begin to apply these lessons in their daily lives, they slowly start to notice changes in their mindset and behavior. At first, the changes may seem small. Choosing patience instead of frustration, responding with kindness instead of anger, or telling the truth even when it feels uncomfortable may not seem like big actions. However, these small decisions gradually shape a person's character. Over time, they create habits that strengthen the mind and bring more stability to life. Instead of reacting emotionally to every challenge, a person begins to think more clearly and respond with wisdom. Another important truth is that these lessons are not meant to be practiced perfectly from the beginning. Every person makes mistakes and faces moments of weakness. There will be times when anger feels stronger than love, when worry replaces faith, or when impatience takes control. But personal growth is not about being perfect. It is about learning from those moments and choosing to improve. Each time a person returns to these principles, they become stronger and more aware of their actions. These teachings also remind us that our behavior influences the people around us. When one person acts with honesty, patience, and compassion, it often encourages others to do the same. Kindness spreads through example. A calm and respectful attitude can reduce conflict, strengthen relationships, and create a more positive environment in families, workplaces, and communities. In this way, the lessons of Jesus are not only about personal improvement but also about making the world a better place for everyone. In the end, the wisdom of these teachings remains powerful because it focuses on the values that truly matter in life. Love, forgiveness, faith, humility, and honesty are timeless principles. When people live by these values, they build lives filled with meaning, peace, and purpose. By practicing these lessons step by step, anyone can move toward a life that is calmer, stronger, and deeply fulfilling. If you enjoyed this story and want to improve your English and your life, make sure to subscribe to the channel and join this learning journey with us. And watch the next story on your screen to continue improving your English.